age of science. Their first scientific... This year at Gilbert, we present the finest toy line in our history. This is our story. This is Zoom. And this is the most spectacular microscope ever made. This new Gilbert Zoom microscope is the most versatile in its field, with more than a dozen outstanding features. In addition to conventional viewing, it permits 180-degree swing around for close-ups of a delicate flower, for example. For detailed viewing of small objects, this adaptable microscope zooms down instantly. No other microscope does so much, has so much. Heavyweight all-metal construction. This set features an all-new metal microscope that magnifies up to 450 times. Has electric plug-in lighting and smooth gear drive focusing action. Viewing versatility at its best is offered with this microscope. While this set also includes complete professional equipment. Both sets feature the Gilbert all-metal electric zoom microscope. Changing from bottom lighting to top lighting is a cinch. Takes but an instant. This set offers the greatest range of focusing power ever. 1,000 times actual size, plus many other features. A professional laboratory beauty with binocular eyepiece included with this steel cabinet set. And this separate sail outfit. For viewing versatility, a handy light selector. Three's a crowd, but not when there's a Gilbert group viewer attachment. With the big enlargement screen, we can all have a look. Gilbert physics sets provide endless hours of fun in learning about the laws of nature. Typical of the apparatus is this optical bench that can project an image, reflect and bend light rays, or, like the rainbow, produce the entire breathtaking spectrum of colors. Materials like human beings become tired, and this fatigue shows up as shimmering stress patterns made visible by polarized light in this optical bench experiment. The spinning vanes of the radiometer are a dramatic demonstration of how the sun can provide an endless supply of power. Gilbert physics sets are available at 3 price levels and are recommended for children 8 years and older. The most famous name in toys is known throughout the world. Erector, the all-steel construction set for beginners, for young builders, for junior engineers. 4 generations of American youth have grown up with Erector, the toy that has become as much a part of our life as baseball and hot dogs. Erector has exciting appeal for all boys. Because its solid steel parts build solid steel models. As many as 1,000 from just one set. Erector battery motors put action into models like this. While this rugged power plant with 4-position gear shift drives an Erector printing press. Radar warns of enemy attack. Quickly, Erector's rocket launcher goes into action. Nothing beats the fun of a roller coaster, and this one is a beauty, built with the largest Erector set in the line. Erector offers the most complete line of construction sets ever made. This radar scanner set is followed in the line by the outfit that features the exciting rocket launcher. Every boy has a natural curiosity about electricity. What makes the lights go on? Why does a motor run? How does a battery store energy? Gilbert Electrical Engineering sets provide the answers. First step in building a motor is winding the armature. And this boy is rediscovering a basic fact of science, that through a system of coils and magnets, electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy that can do 1,000 useful things. Gilbert's Electrical Engineering line offers 4 complete sets, each packed in an attractive display box, crammed with parts, apparatus, and equipment. For the line that's really stacked, stock Gilbert. Electrical Engineering. Chemistry, the foundation of all scientific advance. Practiced by the ancients thousands of years ago, steeped in mysticism and superstition, developed by modern science, chemistry is today a fascinating adventure for youth of all ages. Gilbert has made this exciting science available in safe and easy-to-understand form. The mark of a chemistry set is the number and variety of different experiments it will do, and Gilbert outfits have no equal here. All Gilbert sets are laboratory tested and approved, made as completely safe as human ingenuity can devise. For even the junior chemist, Gilbert sets are designed for fun, as typified by this starter outfit. A complete home lab